Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to export PPT from GenSpark AI. So all you need to do is open your GenSpark account and then ask him to create anything for your presentation. For example, we can ask him to create a presentation for motorcycles and then we hit run. Now we can see that he created the slides for the presentation for the motorcycle and everything. Now, if we want to export this in PPT, all we need to do is press on View and Export, and then press on Export. And then we can choose PPTX here. But in order to export, we need to have a Plus or a Pro account. So make sure you have this kind of account, Plus or Pro subscription, and then you select PPTX, and then you select all the pages or custom range from which slide to which slide, and then you press on Export, and the PPT will be downloaded to your PC. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.